Hello and welcome to E for Garage. Today I'm going to give you a little tech tip on securing something with threads without damaging the threads while you drill or cut or whatever you got to do to it. So this is my old galley plug from my 400 Pontiac, and I need to drill a little hole through the center to get oil on the distributor gear. Little hidden trick, you know. Now I need to drill this, and well, holding it and drilling it doesn't always bode well. Putting it in a vise sometimes damages the threads. So what I do is, in this case, I got some heater hose and put the plug in it. So now I have a piece of rubber on both sides of the threads, not to damage it. So I can drill away my heart's content. I make sure it's tight so it doesn't go anywhere. Voila. There you go, just a little tech tip. Simple, easy to do. And I'm sure if you're working on a vehicle, you got plenty of rubber hose laying around to use. It's not like it's rare or, you know. Let's be honest, most of y'all have stuff you're throwing back. Like, I'll save that little piece for something. Now you have an excuse to keep that little piece. And you can prove to someone later that you're going to use it. So if you just take a cutoff wheel to a bolt and you're like, oh, I don't want to hold that right there. Get you some like 3/8, 5/16 fuel line or whatever, you know, you're using, whatever size bolt. Put it around it, clamp it, cut, done. A little safer too, so hope this information helps you out. As always, thanks for watching.